Today's video is part 2 of how to repair any Samsung LED TV. We're going to help you repair your TV by a process of parts elimination without using any electronic test equipment at all. Next, we're going to use a voltage ohm meter to show you how to use the voltage legend that's on the power supply to also repair your television and identify the bad part. Next, after you've found the bad part, we're going to show you how to identify the part numbers on all the different components within your TV so that you order the correct parts every time. Be sure to visit Patch1Stripe.com to see our line of repair parts. We have remotes, LED strips, stands, boards, and many other replacement parts. Give us a big thumbs up for this video and also subscribe if you haven't. We also want to say thank you out there to everybody that's been supporting us so far. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get on to this video.